So hello, my name is Gabriel Dominic Peltuar. So for today's video, I'll be showing you my midterm activity 2 color picker box. So the instruction is to create one using npx create react app color picker. Then the expected outcome is a color input allows the user to pick a color. Then a box changes its background color based on the selected color. Then the current hex color value is displayed. So now I'm gonna show you my output. So as you can see here, we have here our local disk. So we have now the file of our color picker. So here are the files, and I will show you now the codes. So as you can see here in the code, we have a export default function app. So we have here a color, set color, use state. So basically this is the default color for our color picker, and this is our color picker. So it sets color, target value, and we have the rounded border for the background color, which is the user choose or input. And we have the current text to show the input of the color of the hex, basically that the user input. So here we have our index.js. So it's imported React from React, then React DOM we have installed, then constant root React DOM create root, then we have document get element by id. So now this is the React app that we make and we build. So here we have the color picker, which color to choose. Then you have the box, the background color to where the color that has been chosen. Then it display the current hex of the color. As you can see, it's not kuan lang mo din siya kita, but it's basically it display the current hex of the color. So that's it. Thank you.